but yo, this is actually really orange. Like I feel like I look like the dark version of Donald Trump. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ella Harry. For those of you guys that don't know me, if you just stumbled upon my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Dior Dior Skin Forever Undercover 24-hour. Oh, Jesus, it's this one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to be reviewing this foundation. This foundation is fairly new. I'm not sure exactly when it came out, but it is fairly new from what I understand. And it claims to be a 24-hour wear, full coverage, weightless foundation that is matte. From the reviews that I've seen, people are like, oh yeah, it's super matte, yada yada. So I guess we're going to test it out. This is what the packaging looks like, nothing too serious. And then this is what the, oh, my hands are so oily. And then this is what the foundation looks like. So the bottle's pretty small, but this is like 40 ml, so I guess it's a decent amount of product. I got this for 64 Canadian dollars. I don't know how much that would be in the US, but I got this for 64 Canadian dollars. This is what the bottle looks like when you open it. Oh, so this is what the applicator looks like. Now this is the kind of thing that upsets me, because God knows I don't like foundations that don't have like pumps. I don't like things like this, or just any foundation in general that doesn't have a pump. You lose me right there. You just lose me. This is the shade 70, so 070. This was the second to the last shade, so there's only one shade after this. So if you're super dark, there's a high chance that you may or may not find your shade. But I also feel like the shade after this was really dark, so if you're in between me and like a really dark person, you may not find your shade. You might have to like mix and match or whatever. So I'm just going to apply my primer first, and for the purpose of this video, I think I'm going to have this on for, because they are saying that it's a 24-hour wear. I think I'm going to have it on for at least 12 hours, just so you guys can see what it looks like after 12 hours. And for my primer, I'm using the NYX Shine Killer. Okay, so before I go on to apply this, I'm just going to read what they're saying that the foundation is supposed to do. So this reinvents full coverage with an ultra fluid foundation that offers the perfect mix of extreme correction and surprisingly weightless feel. Its fresh water-based texture forms a film so incredibly comfortable and exceptionally fine. You forget it is even there from morning till night. Sure, Dior. With a high concentration of correcting pigments, it delivers a flawless semi-matte finish and conceals imperfections for 24 hours. So, yep, so this is a water-based foundation that they are claiming to be full coverage and semi-matte. So, let's see how it works out. So I'm just going to use, okay, I'm going to take this off my hand. So I'm just going to put like maybe 3 drops. Okay, so I'm looking at this right now. I don't know if you guys can see this, but honestly, this looks so orange. Like, this looks really orange. Even just like putting it on my hands, this looks really, oh no, just from what I'm seeing, I already don't like it. No, I don't like it. I don't like color. It looks really orange, like really orange. I'm going to blend out the first half of my face. This foundation actually smells really good, you guys. Like, or is it my brush? I don't think it's my brush because I didn't use a different brush thing. It's the foundation. It actually smells really good. Whoa. Yeah, this is orange. No. I mean, it's very lightweight. It's very lightweight and it dries matte, like dries matte almost immediately, which is a good thing. But then that just means that if you apply it, you have to blend it in to your skin almost immediately because this dries really fast. Like, it's already dry. Like, it dries really fast. So when you're working with this foundation, you have to blend it in like super fast because everything just dries. It's very lightweight, which is what I like. But yo, this is actually really orange. Like, I feel like I look like the dark version of Donald Trump because that guy is always looking so fucking orange. I'm just like, hey dude, where is your glam team? Like, they need to hook you up with a new cover up, or before you know, it might not even be cover up, it might just be like spray tan and whatnot. But seriously, they need to change his color. Donald Trump be looking all kinds of orange out here. But I feel like I look like the dark version of Donald Trump right now. I like the fact that it's lightweight and it says what it's supposed to be doing. So they claim that it's water-based and you feel weightless. So it does actually feel weightless. But I don't like the color. Like, it looks very, very orange. Like, hopefully it like changes throughout the day, but I don't like how it's looking right now. And it's so funny because now I'm just like, could I have gone with a lighter shade? But then the shade that was before this one, I think that would be 060, was just, to me, it looked light. It looked too light and I was just like, hey, no. But I'm just going to try and fix this. So I'm going to go in with my concealer and try and just like fix this hot mess. And I'm going in with my Maybelline. Now my concealer actually looks lighter than it would usually look. God, what kind of thing is this? God. Okay, so now that I have blended in the concealer, I feel like this looks somewhat better. I don't look as orange, but I don't know. So I'm just going to go back in with my foundation brush and just kind of blend the edges of the concealer just so everything like kind of like blends in. So next I'm going in with my Patrickstarr setting powder. Ratchet. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that on for a bit, maybe like 5 minutes, just so everything bakes. Now I'm going to go in with my lipstick because I'm kind of in a rush here, so I'm not just going to sit around and wait for it to bake. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Famous. It smells so good. It actually smells really good. So I'm going to go back in with my powder brush and my Makeupforever Duo Matte powder. So next I'm going in with this blush from my Tarte palette. This is Endless, and I'm just going in with a small brush like this. Okay, so next I'm going in with this highlighter from Mercier. I never know how to pronounce that. Okay, so now I'm going to set everything. I'm going to go back with my Makeupforever Mist and Fix, and I'm just going to spray everything. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished look. So far, I actually like how the foundation is looking. It doesn't look as orange as it did in the beginning of this tutorial, but we'll see how it wears throughout the day. Like I said, I'll come back to you guys in 12 hours. So I started this tutorial at 8 a.m. So I guess I'll do another video at 8 p.m. I'm not going to go all the way to 24 hours because I'm not trying to sleep with this makeup. It's not that deep. Really not that deep. So I'll come back to you guys in 12 hours just so you guys can see how it wears. So far, actually, I like how it looks. The only thing that I don't like about this foundation is just the color. But it is lightweight. Like they said, it feels just like nothing. It's lightweight. It is matte. It dries matte like instantly. Once you put it on your face, you have to blend it out because it dries out. It dries matte almost immediately, which is good. Hopefully it stays matte because it's not just drying matte. We need stay matte throughout the day. That's the real question. So yeah, hopefully it stays matte throughout the day, but it definitely does dry matte. And I don't know if it's full coverage. I feel like it's beautiful. I don't know if I would consider this like a full coverage foundation, but I feel like it is beautiful, which I don't have a problem with, to be quite frank. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video, and as usual, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button somewhere down here. Like this, give this video a thumbs up, like this video if you genuinely liked it and you thought it was helpful, and also feel free to follow me on my social media. So Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook is for family and friends, but yeah, feel free to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and I will see you. Flip my hair. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hello, so I am back to give you guys a quick check-in of what the foundation looks like. I have had this on for approximately 12 hours. So I did my why am I not knowing what to say? I did my earlier video at 8 a.m. ish, and it is 8 p.m. right now, and I just wanted to check in with you guys so you guys can see what the foundation looks like. I don't know. I don't honestly like this foundation. Like during the day, it was just like, I don't know if it's just me or if you guys can see it on camera, but you know how you like put on a foundation and it almost just looks like it's disintegrating like on your face, like on my chin area, like it kind of looks like it's just disintegrating, like scattering. Or I don't know what the right term for that is, but then I don't like this foundation, and I don't honestly think that it's worth the price. Like I paid $64, but I don't think it's worth $64. Like I've tried like way better foundations than this. Like even the NARS one that I did, check out my review, girl. Okay, but seriously, even the NARS one, I actually liked the NARS one better because it looked like skin. Like I actually liked that one better. This one, I don't like. The foundation is good, but it's not like the best foundation that is out there. So it's a no for me, girl. It's an absolute no. Okay, if you don't have oily skin, you might like it better, but I have oily skin. This foundation is not for me. Like I don't like how it wears and just how it looks. I don't know, but let me know what you guys think. To be honest, let me know. It might just be me because I'm very weird. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like this foundation or if you've tried it, if you're going to try it. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, I guess. Bye.